tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to use American Express gift card on PlayStation Store. While American Express is an accepted payment method on the PlayStation Store, unfortunately you can't directly use your American Express gift card to make purchases. However, there are a few clever workarounds you can try. You can top up your PlayStation wallet. You can use your American Express gift card to top up your PlayStation wallet online or through your console. Just be sure your gift card is a general purpose or reloadable type. Now, once your wallet has sufficient funds, you can choose it as your payment method during checkout for any game or content on the PlayStation Store. The second way is to digital wallet link up. Now, if your American Express gift card is compatible, you can link it to your PayPal account, then set PayPal as your default payment method on the PlayStation Store. This way, your gift card funds indirectly power your PlayStation purchase. Now, the third option is to use gift card conversion. You can consider visiting retailers like Walmart, Target, or Best Buy. They often sell PlayStation Store gift cards that you can purchase using your American Express gift card. Simply redeem the PlayStation Store gift card code online to add funds to your account and enjoy worry free shopping. Now, there are some alternative methods as well. For example, if you have a debit or credit card linked to your PlayStation account, you can use it for your purchase. This is a straightforward option if your gift card methods aren't feasible. Now, if you have a friend or family member who uses the PlayStation Store and trusts you, you can ask them to purchase a PlayStation Store gift card for you using their own payment method. They can then gift you the code, allowing you to use it for your desired purchase, and then you can always return them the money by cash or give them the gift card. So, alright, guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.